Welcome to FK iPhone. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated Nokia Note 14 Pro Max. This phone is making waves in the tech world with its premium design, powerful features, and cutting-edge technology. Let us break down everything you need to know about this flagship device. Starting with the exterior, Nokia has gone all out with a sleek and modern design. The Note 14 Pro Max boasts a stunning glass back with a polished aluminum frame, giving it a premium feel in hand. The edges are smooth and slightly curved, making it comfortable to hold. On the front, you get an immersive full-screen display with ultra-thin bezels, maximizing the viewing experience. Nokia has also introduced an under-display camera, eliminating the need for a notch or punch hole design. This ensures a truly uninterrupted screen experience, perfect for watching videos and gaming. Now, let us talk about the display. The device features a massive 7.2-inch Super AMOLED panel with a 2K resolution. It supports a 144 Hz refresh rate, making animations and scrolling feel buttery smooth. With HDR10 Plus support and an ultra-high brightness level, the colors pop beautifully, and visibility in direct sunlight is excellent. Whether you're streaming content, editing photos, or gaming, this display delivers top-tier quality. Under the hood, the Nokia Note 14 Pro Max is packed with power. It is equipped with the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, ensuring top-notch performance. Paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage, this phone can handle anything you throw at it, from high-end gaming to intensive multitasking. The cooling system has been upgraded to keep temperatures low even during heavy usage. In terms of battery life, Nokia has stepped up its game with a massive 7000 mAh battery. This ensures all-day usage, even for power users. The device supports 120W fast charging, which means you can get from 0 to full charge in under 30 minutes. It also supports 50W wireless charging, making it convenient for those who prefer a cable-free experience. Now, let us get into the camera system. The Nokia Note 14 Pro Max features a triple camera setup on the back, led by a 200MP primary sensor. This delivers stunning detail and clarity, even in low-light conditions. There's also a 50MP ultra-wide lens for capturing breathtaking landscapes and group shots, along with a 48MP periscope telephoto lens that offers up to 100x digital zoom. On the front, you get a 64MP under-display selfie camera, providing high-quality selfies while keeping the display seamless. With advanced AI enhancements and 8K video recording capabilities, this phone is a powerhouse for photography and videography. For security, the phone features an ultra-fast under-display fingerprint scanner and advanced facial recognition. Nokia has also ensured top-notch durability with IP68 water and dust resistance, making it a reliable device in any condition. On the software side, it runs on Android 15 with Nokia's minimal and clean user interface. Expect smooth performance, regular updates, and a clutter-free experience with no unnecessary bloatware. To wrap things up, the Nokia Note 14 Pro Max is a beast of a smartphone. It offers a stunning design, a high-quality display, powerful performance, a massive battery, and a cutting-edge camera system. Nokia is making a strong statement in the flagship market with this device. If you're looking for a premium smartphone in 2025, this one should definitely be on your radar. That's it for today's video. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Nokia Note 14 Pro Max. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to FK iPhone for more tech updates. See you in the next one.